Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on manage roles permission settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click roles, and click here, now click permissions, and here as you see you will find manage roles. Click on it like this and it will be turned on, and after this click saved and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.